Welcome back to our series of Minecraft things in Maine and popular character names pronunciation videos. Let's take a look at how to pronounce this word. A honey bottle is an item used to collect and store honey. In games like Minecraft, it can be consumed to restore hunger and cure poison effects. Pronunciation, French. In France, the word honey bottle is pronounced ʻhʌni Bot-ul, with a soft H and smooth, rounded vowels. ʻhʌni Bot-ul, giving it a gentle, flowing sound. American. In America, people say Huh-nee Bot-ul, with the emphasis on the first syllable of each word, ʻhʌni Bot-ul, making it sound firm and clear. British. In the UK, it's pronounced ʻhʌni Bot-ul, with a softer A and slightly shorter vowels. ʻhʌni Bot-ul, giving it a smooth and relaxed tone. Summary. French. ʻhʌni Bot-ul. American, ʻhʌni Bot-ul. British, ʻhʌni Bot-ul. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more pronunciation videos.